Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to improve your reading in Ielts. First, let's focus on foundational techniques. You'll learn to quickly identify the main points of a text and pinpoint specific details. Mastering these initial steps is crucial for navigating the exam effectively and building confidence. We'll cover how to approach passages strategically, ensuring you don't get bogged down by every word. Next, let's talk about two vital areas: vocabulary and time. A strong vocabulary helps you understand complex texts, so read widely. Efficient time management is equally important. Aim for about 20 minutes per passage. This ensures you complete all 40 questions within the 60-minute limit. Don't forget to practice recognizing paraphrased information, a common challenge. Now, let's dive into mastering the various question types. There are 14 distinct types, each requiring a specific approach. Learn to spot keywords in questions. They are your roadmap to finding answers in the text. Consistent practice with full-length tests under timed conditions is essential. This builds stamina and helps you apply strategies effectively, preparing you for test day. Finally, it's crucial to review and refine your skills. After practice, analyze your mistakes to understand why you got them wrong. Work on increasing your reading speed without sacrificing comprehension. Engage with diverse English materials, like academic journals and news articles, to broaden your exposure. Continuous improvement in these areas will significantly boost your Ielts reading score.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.